Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. I am doing an unboxing video for the embellishment boxes that Gun has come out with in her store, Some Assemblage Required, starting in January. So this one is the February box. I'm super excited about this, you guys. They are really cool boxes, and she has curated a bunch of goodies inside just for you guys, and the quantity of boxes that she has is very limited, about 40-ish. And what does that mean? That means you got to get your order in quick, because they're probably going to sell out, you guys. I know she's got quite a good following, and a lot of people really enjoy her style and her stuff, and the stuff inside the box is really stuff that she really wanted to use and thought would be fun to share with you guys. So when you open your box, you're going to get it all wrapped up with some baker's twine, or I don't know, maybe she'll have some other kind of twine down the road, but super excited about this. I have not seen everything in here. I will admit I have seen probably a few things, just because we bounce ideas off of each other all the time, because we collab together a lot. Don't throw your twine away. This stuff is usable, you guys. You can use that. You can use the brown paper, everything. Brown paper, totally MK style. Yours will not have a little F on it. Mine has an F because I needed to remember that was February, because my boxes came and my mailman set them down and it poured rain on them, and so they got wet. But they were packaged so well, the insides didn't get wet, just the outer white boxes. So this is not the exact box it came in, but it will look just like that. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, we have, oh look at, she included a cute little charm on there, made with love. That's so cute. These are a random sampling of 49 & Market's essential tickets or film strips. So these are the film strips, and we got some of these in the January box as well, but the color was slightly different. So we have a single, which is a little bit larger of a hole than this little tiny guy. I like that the little guy's included as well. These are awesome for layering. You could use them, put a photo in them, all kinds of good stuff. We have the single, we have a triple, we have a 5 count, and you can cut these apart, you guys. So you don't have to use them in whole. And then this one, oh, there you, with my white desk behind, you can see I love the little textures this has. So that's tons of fun. Awesome for layering, awesome for mixed media. The theme in this one had to do with circles, and I don't, maybe I do have it in front of me. January's was It's in the Stars, I believe. February is Life Goes Full Circle. And this goes right along with the theme. Life is a full circle, and then it's got these little branches. And this is one of her new wood veneer pieces. So they're even thicker than her previous MDF. It's half the thickness. This is a 16th versus an 1/8. Super cool. That's awesome. Okay. Then we have, well, let me get, yeah, I'll just do it in the order I pull them out. We have some Scrap and Happy Studio Flair. These are super cute, because if you've got a photo, and I'm just going to pretend this is a photo, but I can't show you the photo because it's got somebody on it that has not agreed to be on my channel. But you can tuck these in behind your photo at the top, so it looks like a little tab, which is really a cute idea. I think they're actually called Peekaboo Flair or something like that. The neat thing about this epoxy Flair is there's no backer on it. You just use your tape runner or any dry tape, like, you know, Creative Memories or ATG or whatever. You're not supposed to use liquid glue. It even says don't use liquid glue. You could also put foam behind it, but that would make it thicker. But these are actually even thinner than the wood veneer. So they come nice and thin because there's no foam on the back or anything. And if you're wondering the size, let me just grab a ruler out here. I should have done this last month too, but they are 1-inch Flair. So really cool. In colors that MK would like, because that is peach, not pink, you guys. Another piece from MK's shop, and this is hand colored by MK herself to be this peach color. It is done with a alcohol ink, so that's super cool. I suppose if you didn't want it that color, you might be able to flip it over. I don't know if the ink goes all the way to the other side or not, because I didn't open it yet. But yeah, super cute. Some cute hearts. You guys, don't fall out of your chairs. MK did some hearts. But these are super cute. They've got these awesome little designs on them, which are really her. I love that she will take something that everybody wants that she doesn't typically use, but she will make it her own. So that's really exciting. And then we have some Dusty Attic chipboard pieces, and these are called heartstrings. So these all punch out, and you can use them wherever you want on your layout, and you could mix media them up. You can paint them with some paint. I mean, that would still be mixed media. You could emboss them with embossing powder. You can mist them. You can gesso them and then mist them so that the bright color stays. A lot of options on here, you guys. You can use some embellishment mousse and put it over the top, the Nouveau embellishment mousse, rub it on there. So lots of options there. And again, hearts. MK doesn't do hearts very often, so this is pretty exciting. We have an awesome stencil from Scrapping Reflections. If you're not familiar with that shop, it belongs to Sandy Reversky, otherwise known as State Goddess, over on most of her social media. And the stencils were custom designed by MK, and then she asked Sandy to cut them for her. So those are really cool. We've got circles and these little diamonds. So more on that circular theme. Life goes full circle. She will have stuff in the shop that is kind of matching that theme as well. But these are all exclusive to the box. You can't get these in the shop. You can only get them in the embellishment box. And then we have this concho, which is really cute. Oh my goodness. And, oh, look at that. You guys, it's not just one. It's 3 conchos, which are cute. They're not super thick either. Let's look here. They might be a tad bit thicker than the acrylic, but this acrylic is the thin acrylic. It's a 1/16 of an inch, maybe. Pretty sure. Same as this, I believe. Yeah, it's not thick. It's very thin. And then we have this awesome material. I don't even remember what it's called. She told me at one point and I can't remember. Chiffon, maybe? But this is really cool because you can feed it right on through there. And it can be a part of your layout. If you watch MK, you know that she loves textile and texture and fiber. So this is awesome. I think that's super cute. You can use it as a band across your page or at the bottom of a photo. It's so cute. And this stuff is so delicate. It's so pretty and soft looking, which is nice because these are kind of big and it kind of offsets the hard metal with the soft, I'm going to say it's chiffon. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So I think it's really cool. Very cool. I also like this rugged edge, which is very MK, you know. I think she's done an outstanding job with these boxes. Super fun. A little clip to hold that together. I was going to say, I don't know where the bag went, but I see it. All right, you guys, that is it for the February box. The boxes are $37, and then that's not including shipping. So the neat thing is she will be releasing these at the same time that she releases her shop stuff. So you could combine so that your whatever you order from the shop can be shipped together with your embellishment box. So that's exciting. I don't know that they will always have a clip or a charm. What happened was she has packaging that these film strips are going in. The packaging was not there when she shipped mine out, simply because as part of her design team, she wanted to get these out to us right away so we can start working with them So we have plenty of stuff to show you guys, plenty of inspiration. So that is the February box. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't wait, go over and get it when you can. Bye.